boys and girls. This is Miss Hauk here. We are going to practice our Mighty Minutes, and today's topic is demonstrating our knowledge of the alphabet. And I have an alphabet chart here today to go over with you. We also have an alphabet chart in our classroom, and these are easy to find online as well for one at home. So we're going to use my alphabet chart today. We're going to use the chart to share our experience and help us learn the concept of a letter. So we know that our alphabet has the letters, and each letter has an individual sound, and those letters and sounds make up a word. So the alphabet chart I chose has a capital, a lowercase, a picture, and a word that labels the picture. Put a little closer, see if you can see it better. So if we look at the letter C, it has the capital C, which is a big curve, and the little c, which is a small curve. Then it makes the sound k. C says k right here. When you look at the alphabet chart, you can see that there are letters in the word that make up car. The letters we see are C-A-R. So there are 3 letters in the word car. Car has 3 letters that make up one word. So all words are made up of letters. The word is car. So if we wanted to use our alphabet chart to spell out the word car, we could go C-A-N-R. Where's it? Right here, R, for car. Then we can also practice individual sounds. So we are going to look at our alphabet chart and find or point to on your screen the letter that corresponds with the sound that I'm making. So I'm gonna hold up the alphabet chart again. So if you look at the alphabet chart, trying to get it all in there for you, I would like you to point to the letter that says Z, Z. Which letter makes the sound Z? Good work. It is the letter Z. And if you look, we have a zipper. Z, z, zipper. Say that. Z, z, zipper. Do you hear that Z sound in the beginning? That's how we know to write the letter Z to represent the Z sound. So boys and girls, when you hear a Z, you know it starts with the letter Z. Let's look again. Look at the alphabet chart. Point to the letter that says Watch my lips. Good. It is the letter M. M says like in mitten. Say it. Mitten. Your turn. Mitten. Good job. Nice practicing. We'll do one more today, boys and girls, and then you can practice more at home with your family. You can pause the video and use my chart as well. So our last one that we're going to practice today in Mighty Minutes is the letter sound J, 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 or J. That's right. Right here, you should be pointing to the letter J. And if you look on there, there is a jelly jar. Ooh, 2 J words. J, J, jelly. Your turn. J, J, jelly. And the word jelly is spelled J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. Thank you for your time and hope you had fun. Happy practicing. Bye.